this is the connector. It causes this to go in and out, obviously. And this cable goes into the wiper mechanism. From all the way through each one of these and over to that one. And there's a gear inside of here that catches up these wrappings. It makes the gear twist from this going in and out. And then you just gauge it to the amount of travel. In this case, it's 100 degrees. And then it parks down here. Wipers. Let me get the wipers. Go in here like a normal wiper does. And then just follows. That's pretty good travel. So that was a bit of a challenge getting all that in there. And then the next thing I've done since we saw the last video is I installed and created these armrests. The armrests were on the seat, but there was no room for it to work. It's pretty narrow in here. So I created this where the armrest is on the door. So when you get in here and shut the door, nice and comfy. Then I've, since the last episode, created the inside door handles. These finger pulls. So the outside, when the door is shut on the outside, a remote control key fob will work the solenoid to open the door. That's about as far as we've gotten since last time. So the engineering of all these little pieces takes a lot of time. Hopefully I'll get a lot more done for the next episode.